Homeowners looking for bay windows Middleburg, Florida often want a balance of curb appeal, extra interior space, and long-term value. In Middleburg, bay window installation Middleburg projects are popular for living rooms, kitchens, front-facing sitting areas, and residential upgrades that improve both natural light and home character. From custom bay windows Middleburg to residential bay windows Middleburg designed for traditional and modern homes, local demand continues to grow across Clay County. Many property owners search for a bay window company offering bay window estimates, affordable bay windows Middleburg, and bay window services Middleburg, Florida that fit renovation goals, architectural style, and budget expectations without sacrificing quality or performance. Energy savings are a major reason homeowners choose energy-efficient bay windows Middleburg, Florida for new construction and remodeling. Insulated bay windows, upgraded glass packages, weather-tight framing, and precision installation all help reduce heat gain in Florida's climate while improving comfort year-round. Homeowners comparing insulated bay windows in Lake Asbury, Florida and energy-efficient bay windows Middleburg often ask about low-maintenance options that still look refined from the curb. New bay windows for homes Middleburg can be built with advanced seals, durable frames, and high-performance glass to support bay window home improvement goals while making rooms feel brighter, larger, and more open. Style and material selection matter when planning custom bay windows in Clay County, Florida for a home exterior upgrade. Vinyl bay windows Middleburg are favored for easy upkeep, moisture resistance, and cost-conscious performance, while wood bay windows Middleburg deliver timeless warmth and architectural charm. Some homeowners specifically request vinyl bay window installers Middleburg, Florida for streamlined replacements, while others need wood bay window replacement Middleburg, Florida to preserve the look of older homes. Decorative bay windows Middleburg, modern bay window designs Middleburg, and custom bay window designs near Green Cove Springs, Florida all give property owners ways to personalize layouts, sightlines, and finishes for beautiful, functional living spaces. Professional installation makes a major difference in how bay windows perform over time in Middleburg and surrounding neighborhoods. Experienced bay window contractors Middleburg understand structural support, waterproofing, flashing, alignment, and exterior finishing needed for lasting results. Many homeowners search for bay window installers near Middleburg, bay window contractors in Middleburg, Florida, or the best bay window installers in Middleburg, Florida when preparing for a project that requires dependable workmanship. Bay window framing services, bay window framing and installation Middleburg, Florida, and local bay window specialists in Middleburg, Florida are especially important when replacing older units or adding a new projection window to an existing wall. Replacement services are often needed when older windows begin showing signs of drafts, rot, leaks, cloudy glass, or operational issues. Bay window replacement Middleburg helps restore comfort, improve aesthetics, and eliminate ongoing maintenance problems that can worsen over time. Homeowners comparing bay window replacement near Doctors Inlet, Florida and bay window replacement estimates Middleburg, Florida often want efficient scheduling, product variety, and clear pricing from a trusted local team. Whether the goal is a full bay window renovation, updated glass, or stronger framing, replacing outdated units with modern bay windows for homes in Middleburg, Florida can improve both energy performance and resale appeal. Affordability remains important for families planning exterior upgrades without compromising craftsmanship. Affordable bay windows Middleburg can still include durable vinyl, efficient insulated glass, and attractive design features when sourced from a reliable bay window company. Many homeowners begin by requesting bay window estimates, bay window replacement estimates Middleburg, Florida, or consultations from an affordable bay window company Middleburg, Florida to compare materials, sizes, and installation scope. Whether the project involves decorative bay windows, straightforward replacement work, or fully custom residential bay windows Middleburg, transparent pricing and practical recommendations help homeowners make informed decisions while staying on budget. Regional service areas around Middleburg continue to drive demand for specialized bay window remodeling and installation support. Homeowners researching residential bay windows near Orange Park, Florida, new bay windows near Bel Air Meadowbrook Terrace, Florida, or decorative bay windows near Jacksonville, Florida often want a company familiar with local architecture, permitting expectations, and Florida weather conditions. The same goes for premium bay windows in Black Creek, Florida and bay window remodeling services near Oakleaf Plantation, Florida, where exterior upgrades can increase both property value and neighborhood curb appeal. A local provider serving Middleburg, Florida and nearby communities can recommend designs and materials suited to each location.